Hello to everyone. In this quick review today, we will be looking at safety and security and why TrueLoaded is so good with it. So first of all, I would like to confirm that TrueLoaded is PCI DSS validated. What we've done is we have teamed up with Security Metrics, which is one of the most popular security and safety checks providers available at this moment in time on the market. So there is a special scanner that scans our default latest version of TrueLoaded ever so often, and every time there is a problem, if there is a problem, we're quick to check it, fix it, and release an update. So here we see that it has been validated. Let's take a look. So the latest scan happened a bit more than 2 weeks ago, and as you can see, it has passed the scan. Now, the next thing is that TrueLoaded is fully optimized and ready to use secure links. So every link in TrueLoaded would be this HTTPS, where S stands for secure. So as you can see, we go through the website, it's all HTTPS, which means that any and all bits of information that go from your browser to the website are safe and secure. The information is private when it is sent to this website, as it says here. Now, let's see how TrueLoaded deals with access to the backend. The backend of TrueLoaded is password protected. So I will log in now under my login and password. Currently, I can see a lot of menu items here, a lot of bits and pieces. It is configured in this Managers menu in the backend. So first of all, we have access levels. Access levels, TrueLoaded comes by default with a number of access levels. I'm currently one of the top administrators, but I could also be a sales manager, a product manager, general manager, whatever role you can come up with, you can create it here or customize an existing one. So to customize an existing role, you just press edit, and then it shows you, here you can specify the name of the role, and here you can specify whether people of this role will have access to certain parts of the system. As you can see, it's pretty detailed, and it can go as far as, for example, on products, allowing people not just accessing products as such, but also allowing them to edit and then edit certain bits and pieces of a vast product information page. As you can see, there is a special permission for delete and move and copy, and same stuff for categories and so on and so forth. It covers everything you can do in the back end of this very powerful, very featured system. And then you could have members or users, and you can see here it shows you how many times they logged in, shows their access level and information about them. So if I find myself here, I can do a number of things. I can disable a user if the user's account needs to stay in the system, but the user should not be allowed to log in. I can update password. Obviously, this permission would only be granted to top administrators. I can remove the user, of course, and I can override permissions. So overriding permissions means that there are a number of preset permissions from the user's access level, but I can enable or disable certain other permissions to make it specific for that particular user. Additionally to this type of security and access control, what is very important to note is that any and all the modules, payment modules in TrueLoaded, have never and will never store credit card information in the database of TrueLoaded. We'll simply not allow for anything like that to happen, and we'll never allow for any of the add-ons or additional modules to be storing credit card information in the database. Thank you very much for watching. More updates will come soon. Goodbye.